to give your opinion on Prop 46 in the upcoming November election. Consumer specialist Rick Romero takes a look at the key components of Prop 46 and talked to people on both sides of the issue.
Consumer Watchdog, a proponent of Prop 46, recently showed off a new television ad that will be seen in the LA area in the coming weeks. The spokesperson is a Tennessee doctor who is also a recovering drug addict.
I'm a doctor of internal medicine, something terrible to admit. I've treated thousands of patients, risked their lives while high on prescription drugs. I was an addict. I'm recovered now, but an estimated 500,000 medical professionals are still out there abusing drugs or alcohol.
Random drug and alcohol testing of physicians is one of the key components of Prop 46, a component Michelle Montserrat Ramos has been hoping for ever since her fiancé Lloyd Montserrat died in the hospital at age 36. Michelle later found out her fiancé's surgeon had a drug problem.
Lloyd's doctor was arrested 3 times, all while he held a license to practice medicine in the state of California, with one of those arrest records being felony possession of crack cocaine.
It's the first drug test of its kind that would test physicians when they're off duty. They can call a physician who's at dinner having a glass of wine to get randomly drug tested.
Dr. Cheyenne Roy, a cardiologist at UCLA Medical Center, is opposed to Prop 46. He says another more controversial component of the proposition, raising the cap on medical malpractice lawsuits, would mean higher medical costs for consumers.
It's been assessed that it will triple the malpractice insurance rates. That's particularly distressing in underserved communities. Community health clinics, Planned Parenthood have already said they'd have to cut services because that's a huge increase in cost for them.
Consumer Watchdog argues, saying the cap has been the same for 38 years with no adjustment for inflation. In a recent LA Times poll among likely voters, 61% favored Prop 46, while 29% were opposed. However, support dropped when those surveyed heard both sides' main campaign arguments, 37% for, 50% opposed. Consumer Watchdog says
the LA Times put in inaccurate information in their arguments against Prop 46.
You will have a chance to vote on Proposition 46, either yes or no, on Tuesday, November 4th, just a few weeks away. This is Rick Romero, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.